So, Tom, what is Quick Glide?
So Quick Glide is a new door system, new revolutionary door system, unique to us. It is a hybrid between a bifolding door and a sliding patio door.
Right.
So there are the concept itself is not brand new. There are other products on the market that do the same, very similar sort of thing. But this is the first time that this product has been combined in the way that we've done it, and we've engineered it to iron out a lot of the common issues, so as to speak, and make sure that it's ready for kind of mass production and mass use in the market. So yeah, we've probably been around 2.5 years on this product now. So we first tested the concept. I think it was a home building and renovating show from memory.
Right.
We took it to that show really just to get feedback from the consumers. We didn't really have the intention of selling it there. It was just to kind of show it and let people play with it and just ask people what they thought. And honestly, it was mind blowing because it was like one of those East End market stalls when they're selling stuff off and there's just crowds of people. And to us, it was strange because we'd seen this product before. We knew
Yeah.
what it was or something similar, the concept anyway. We knew what it was, but to a consumer, this was like, wow, this is amazing. What is this? Um, and people absolutely loved how versatile it was, and all of the issues that come up quite often with a bifolding door and likewise with the patio. That was kind of all ironed out in this product. So the option to move individual panels rather than having to move the whole door at the same time. It's a lot easier, a lot lighter, a lot less prone to issues. Um, Being able to open sections of it rather than having the whole thing open or the whole thing closed again was loved by everyone. Um, it allows you to use it in smaller spaces, so on sort of balconies, or if you've got furniture inside against the door or furniture outside against the door, all of that works because the door slides and then only opens at one point at the end. So rather than needing to clear space for each panel to move all the way along the entire sort of span of the door, it's just one end, so you can really use it in a lot more confined spaces. Um, Aesthetically, it irons out a lot of the issues with bifolds, the things that consumers don't like, such as the hinges that are on show on the
Mm.
outside, things like that. So it's a lot neater. It makes the sight lines look a lot more attractive. So yeah, we tested the concept. We got great feedback from the consumers, and then we really just had to throw a load of time and money at developing it into a product that we were happy to sell. Then we didn't want to put something out in the market that we weren't fully confident with, that we were going to have problems with, and that's what the time really around it's been. That's what we've been working on for the last couple of years, trying to make sure that this thing is perfect for the market. In terms of compliance and testing, we've put it through all the tests that you expect, like weather testing, cycle testing, security testing. So, and it's surpassed all our expectations on every element. Past 24 is available on it as well, which obviously opens it up to the use in new build and things, which is great. So yeah, all round, it's a fantastic alternative to a bifolding door, and one that I think consumers are absolutely going to love, and installers really need to get behind, because it's a great addition to their portfolio.
So you also had it on display at your customer days, is that right?
Yes, yeah,
Oh.
we took it to sorry,
No,
we
no,
took
no,
it to
no,
the
no. That's
customer days.
yeah.
Um, yes, we took it to the customer days, and really the thought process behind that was to sort of the next level up, if you like. So
Mm.
we knew the consumers loved it. We'd got it to a point where we were happy that it was ready to put out in the market, and then we need people to sell it now. So our installers are our salespeople ultimately, our customers. Without them putting it out to the consumers, it's not going to go anywhere. So we had to get the buy-in from them, show them the concept, let them sort of understand the value of it being in their portfolio, in addition to all the usual suspects that you'd expect to see there. And to be fair, the feedback was fantastic. It was everybody, all the people who came loved it. We had one on display so they could mess around with it, they could tear it apart, ask whatever questions they wanted to ask. What happens if this happens? What happens with that? How do you fit this? All the usual questions, and we could answer whatever they needed, and we put a lot of minds at rest and ironed out any concerns or people had maybe preconceived ideas of this product, and we put all that to bed and made sure that everybody realised it was a great product that they should definitely add to their range.
And sort of on that note, then, how is QuickSlide supporting your customers to sell QuickSlide? To sell QuickSlide.
Yeah, so we
Very similar, aren't they?
yeah they are yeah. Ah, well, you see, it's almost
Ah,
like we thought about
marketing.
it. Yeah, I mean, with with any kind of new product, you've obviously you've got to give it as much support as you can in order to get it out there and make people aware of it. We have got we've got an online tool for our sash windows, which is called Legacy On Screen, which we also showed at the customer days. So in a nutshell, that's kind of a ready-made website for our customers to use. It's just a line of code that they drop onto their site. They can add a button onto their existing website and they click it and it gives them absolutely everything they need to know about that product. Images, video guides, technical drawings, everything they could need. It's all just there built for them, and it's controlled by us at head office. And if we make a change, then everyone's sites change. So there's no issue with customers having to maintain the sites, make sure it's always updated, etc. We take care of all that. So we rolled that out for our sash windows at the customer day, and then customers said, "Do you know what? We'd really love this for QuickGlide as well," which makes a load of sense. So we've launched it for QuickGlide. So we've got QuickGlide on screen as well now. So that essentially allows our trade stockists of the QuickGlide to just have it ready made on the website. Everything they need to know, videos, technical guides, etc. It's all there. They just drop it on. So there's no effort on their part or investment on their part to actually get that put into their site. So in addition to that, we're offering showroom doors for people who've got a suitable showroom display. We're allowing sort of showroom products to be put in there and samples. Um, and then the final piece of the puzzle is actually people being able to design it and order it. So we've added it to our own custom online ordering system, so people can design the product, play around with the aesthetics. It prices it for them, and then they can order it directly from us. And that system also allows them to put that onto their site as well, so they can
Right.
put it on with their logos, their uplifts, etc. So their clients can actually design and price things live if they want to, or they can have it in the showroom, or they can give it to the sales representatives. However, it works best for their business model. It's quite versatile. So, but essentially, from marketing through to product display and demo, through to pricing and ordering, each stage we've kind of taken care of for them. So as a partner with QuickGlide, all of that's provided free of charge for them to sell the product.
Brilliant. And QuickLight, the name. Who came up with the name?
So with the name, we put it out to a lot of our team internally. So we were throwing different ideas around, and then we said, let's just see what everyone thinks. Well, we got some seriously weird and wonderful names back, but there was a lot of things around quick.
Right.
There was quick fold, quick stack, quick swing, quick this, quick that. Lots of things around quick. And I think the most out there one was Super Door. That person clearly loved it, so we didn't go with Super Door. But yeah, we had some great stuff back, and in the end, we liked the quick glide because we liked the idea of having something around quick, and obviously glide and slide. So we
Yeah,
thought,
nice.
yeah, that kind of works.
Yeah, no, I like that. Any other names that came up that stick out?
Oh, there were all sorts of things, all kinds of weird and wonderful things. But yeah, most of them were relatively sensible. I think Super Door was the only one that was.
I kind of picture that, and I'm picturing that on a T-shirt as
Yeah,
well.
yeah, yeah,
SD.
definitely SD. Yeah.
So who can buy QuickGlide?
So our rollout plan with QuickGlide and what we're executing on at the moment is we're inviting existing customers who want to add it to their range. We're inviting them to become sort of premium stockists of the product, premium installers. So with that, they'll get all of the support that they need for marketing, pricing, online design, showroom displays, etc. And then we'll also go and provide training on the product survey and install as
Right.
well, just to make sure that they've got all the tools they need and they're fully confident in promoting the product. And our aim then will be we'll do a lot of the marketing to the end users, and the builders, developer market, to raise awareness, and generate interest in the product, and then we'll funnel the leads through to the Quick Glide stockists,
Right.
which will be positioned in various locations around the country. So we're still inviting people. So anyone who is an existing customer who wants to offer this product, we're encouraging them to get in touch. We've reached out to lots of them already through the customer days and through various other means. But if anyone sees it and thinks, do you know what, that would fit really well in my range, we're looking for people who want to champion it, who want to
Mm.
promote it and do it justice. The bifold market is still huge, but it is very saturated. It is a bit of a race to the bottom. It's very price sensitive. This product kind of takes you out of that,
Yeah.
and it allows you to offer something different, and really sell it on its entire value, really, rather than just based on price. So it's a great opportunity for anyone who wants to add something new to their range.